How good does that look? Maple drenched bacon, soft gooey cheese in a jalapeno. I don't know what more you want from a barbecue snack. For those of you out there that can't handle heat, don't worry, these really don't have much of a kick. Hi, I'm Schuey, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these jalapeno poppers. These have to be some of the easiest barbecue finger food that you can make. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. Today I'm going to be using some jalapenos, and I'm going to also be wearing gloves because the seeds inside them have some bite. And then all we have to do is cut them in half lengthways. And then using your finger or a small spoon, you just want to scrape out the seeds and the membrane because they hold all the heat. By all means, keep some of the seeds if you like it hot. For the filling of our jalapeno poppers, we're keeping it simple today. We just need some spreadable cream cheese and some of your favourite barbecue rub. I'm using 4 Monkeys Home Base today. And I just want to mix this up really good and then just shove the filling into a Ziploc bag. Now just cut one corner off the Ziploc bag and then we're just going to pipe the cheese filling into each jalapeno. Now just make sure you get the cream cheese out of the fridge an hour before you need it, just so it softens up. Now these already look good, but we want to make them better. And what makes everything better is a cameraman that zooms out. Now these already look good, but we want to make them better. And what makes everything better? Bacon! But we can make this even better again. Let's coat the bacon in maple syrup. Easy enough to do. We'll just coat one side of the bacon with maple syrup, and then we're just going to wrap one piece of bacon around each jalapeno. And then just give them a quick dusting of the same barbecue rub you used in the cream cheese. You do know it's not too early to like this video and share it with your mates. Today I'm going to be using a 57cm Weber kettle, and I'm going to be pairing it up with a kettle cone. Why? Because I want to be cooking at high indirect heat of 240 degrees Celsius today. And how I'll do that is I'll 3/4 fill a chimney starter with briquettes. I'll light them up. Once they're fully ashed over, I'll grab my kettle cone, place it in the center of my charcoal grate, and I'm going to dump that lit fuel into the center. I'll put the grill back in, and I'll put the lid on, opening all the vents, and I'm going to give that 10 minutes to warm up. This would be a great time to subscribe to my channel, and while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button is going to allow you to be notified every time I wear black gloves. The grill's had time to warm up so we can get these poppers on. Just put them around the outer side of the cooking grill, as this is where that high heat is being forced. All we need to do now is chuck a chunk of cherry wood on the briquettes for a lick of smoke, put the lid back on and set a timer for 30 minutes. In 30 minutes we'll have crispy bacon, gooey cheese and soft jalapenos. Today I'm cooking with a high indirect heat of 240 degrees Celsius. All up, our cook's going to take 30 minutes today. Or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Did you know Schueys Barbecue has an Instagram account? You do now. If you didn't know, the Weber lid vent creates a hot spot as cold oxygen is sucked in through the bowl vents around our food and out through that lid vent. So to ensure an even cook, I just recommend turning the lid 1/3 of the way every 10 minutes. Or don't turn the lid and overcook some of them, and feed them to the people you don't like at your barbecue. The poppers are done, so it's time to get them off the heat. Now remembering they are going to be hot, so give them a minute or two to cool down. Unless you like a burnt mouth. Seriously, these are that good, they should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.